How are you? My name is Zola. I'm from South Africa.
Yes,
I'm just asking cool people like you what Mauritius is like.
Mauritius is like paradise.
Oh, really? Yes, guys, we in Grand Baie here in Mauritius. As you can see, we are in the mall. There's a lot of activity going on. It's a Saturday afternoon. I'm hoping to chat to some few people, just find out where they're from, what are they doing in Mauritius, what are they do for a living. So follow me along. Hey, how's it? How's it? Let's see who can be our first victim who I can chat to. Uh, Hi, how are you? My name is Zola. I'm from South Africa. I'm just meeting some people here. Oh, you can't speak English? Okay, thanks. Let's see who I can speak to. Hi, ma'am. How are you? My name is Zola. I'm from South Africa.
Oui.
I'm from South Africa. Yeah, I'm just asking people around where they're from, what are they doing in Mauritius? Would you
I'm
speak to me?
100% Mauritian.
Oh, really? Where are you from originally, though? Were you born here?
I'm born in QP, but I live in Grand,
Okay,
so not far from here.
awesome. Can you tell me what is good about Mauritius for someone coming from South Africa? What is it like living
It's
here?
peaceful,
Uh-huh.
and I have a work, and I have my family around me.
Okay. What do you do for work?
I work in a school canteen, so I am in charge of all the dessert and food for the children.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of fun. Now, as a more mature person in life, what advice could you give to young people of something that they worry about that they shouldn't be worried about?
They should persevere in what they want to do, and have lots of patience. And if they want to do it, they will comment tu appelles ça? Access to it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Allez, pleasure. Have a good
Appreciate
trip.
it. You too.
Allez.
Bye. Okay, let's speak to this young man. Hi, how are you, my man? Hi, how are you? My name is Zola. I'm from South Africa. Can you speak to me for a second? Okay. You're too shy. Okay. These ones over here. Hi guys, how are you? My name is Zola. I'm from South Africa.
Yes,
I'm just asking cool people like you what Mauritius is like.
Mauritius is like paradise.
Oh, really? So you were born and bred here in Mauritius?
Yes.
Lived here all your life?
All my life in Mauritius.
Okay. What are some of the good things about Mauritius?
The beaches,
Right.
paradise, and the people.
Yeah.
Every people is very nice.
Okay. Is there anything bad about Mauritius?
Bad? No, I can't say bad in Mauritius.
Okay. So what do you do for a living?
I work for myself. Yes, in food. So yes.
So you own your own restaurant?
Almost.
No, that's brilliant. So what advice can you give to somebody like a tourist coming to Mauritius? What can they expect?
Expectation, beautiful pictures, beautiful pictures on Instagram,
Yeah.
and in Mauritius everybody is very nice. So positive vibe on in Mauritius.
Awesome. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Hey, you are such a good ambassador for your country, hey? They should pay you. And you, madam?
Madam,
lived-
don't speak English.
And you? Not really. Shy. Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. Let's see. Hello, ma'am. How are you? My name is Zola. I'm from South Africa. I'm just asking people around what Mauritius is like since I'm a tourist here. Are you from here or
I'm from here.
Okay.
I don't know really.
how long have you lived here? You born here?
Yes.
Okay, so someone like me who's new here, what is it like to live in Mauritius?
It's good.
Okay, what is so good about it?
Really, the sunshine and people around are kind.
Okay. And what do you do for work?
I don't work.
What do you do? How do you survive?
I survive. I have a husband. I have children, so I'm okay.
So you're a home executive. You're
Yes.
home. You take care of the family. That's excellent. Thank you so much for speaking to me. Bye. Okay, let's see who else I can chat to. Let's chat to this gentleman over here. Hi, how are you, sir? My name is Zola. I'm from South Africa. How are you?
Hi.
Good. I'm just chatting to some people, finding out what's it like to live in Mauritius. Are you from here?
Yeah, yes.
You've lived
Very good.
Mauritius.
All right. What's so good about Mauritius?
The sea, the beach.
Yeah.
Every people is very cool.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And what do you do for work? For a living?
Construction.
Okay. So you own your company or you work for somebody?
No, I work for myself.
Oh wow. So you run your own business?
Yes.
You have people who are working for you?
Well, yes.
Okay. Now can you tell me, how is it like to survive in Mauritius? Like how much money do you need to live a good life here in Mauritius?
You must here in Mauritius there are some there's if some person who have money, some who have rich, who different people.
Right.
Yeah.
If I want to rent a place to stay, how much could I pay per month to rent a house? Say a 2-bedroom house here in Grand Baie, how much?
I don't know.
You're not sure. Do you own your own house or do you rent?
No, I own house.
So you built your own house or
Yes.
you borrowed money from the bank?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for chatting to me. Cheers. Okay, let's see guys if we can have any more interesting people who can chat to us. Locals. Let's see if we can chat to this lady over here. Hello ma'am, how are you? My name is Zola, I'm from South Africa. Okay. Okay, awesome. Let's see if we can chat to this young man. Hi, how are you, my man? Are you well? Good. My name is Zola, I'm from South Africa.
Yeah, it's nice.
Likewise, my man. I'm just asking people, how is it like to live in Mauritius?
Mauritius, just like people say, paradise island. But it's not only about living in paradise, but we need harmony, peace and love. We believe in God. I believe in Jesus. But we need to spread kindness.
Right.
That's all. It's not about religion. It's not about money, but it's about kindness.
Yeah.
That's what.
That's beautiful. And do you own your own business here, or you
Yeah.
you do this full
Yeah,
time? for a living?
for family.
Okay.
Family.
Is it easy to start a business here in Mauritius?
But we need patience, sacrifice, because we need to wake up early to peel everything, prepare the vinegar, chili, tamarind.
Yeah.
We need support from the family, parents, and little by little, how people say, when we have faith in God, so definitely with faith and determination,
Yes.
success, it brings us to success.
Yeah. Awesome. That's great advice. Thank you so much for chatting. Sure.
So
Hello, how are you, sir? My name is Zola. I'm from South Africa.
Yes.
I'm just asking some people, what's it like to live in Mauritius?
It's normal. It's a great place.
Yeah.
That's all.
And what do you do for work?
Me, printing.
Painting. Printing. What kind of printing?
Paper and paper.
Okay.
Press.
So you own your own business, or you
No.
work?
I work at a company called Keeping This.
Okay, awesome. Like, what's the cost of living like in Mauritius? Like, how much would I need to pay to rent accommodation to stay?
50,000. 50 to 20. 50,000.
20 to 50,000 rupees.
15,000 not to 20.
Okay.
50,000.
All right. That's in like a good neighborhood like Grand Baie. To live here in Grand Baie, I would pay 50.
No, this is most costly. No, we have to have 40,000, 100
Okay.
in Gambia.
Okay.
And in normal place, it's 50,000 to 20.
Okay.
Can manage.
Yeah, that sounds manageable. Thank you so much for chatting to me.
It's costly.
Okay. Cheers. Okay. Let's see what else we can find here. Hi, hello, how are you? My name is Zola, I'm from South Africa. I'm just trying to speak to people, finding out what's it like to live in Mauritius. Are you a local from here or?
No, it's English. I speak French.
Okay. Do you also speak French?
On va de là-bas. Va demander là-bas, monsieur.
Sorry. Okay. No problem.
Ah, attends, ça va bien.
This one. Okay.
Expliquez au peu Maurice.
Maurice?
Ouais.
Non, on n'a pas le droit de ça.
Demandez avec le monsieur.
Allez, là-bas. Demande notre
Okay. You can-
Demande notre personne.
Okay. All right. Thanks. Okay. You can't speak English. Appreciate it. Let's see if we can speak to this guy. Hi there. How are you? Can I speak to you for a second? What is it that you're doing?
I'm working for an organization called Wake Up Entertainment. We do streets, everything related to streets, like dance, music, like rap, hip hop, and also some graffiti, but not really.
Okay. So what are you doing today?
So we are filming the competition which will be held inside. So I'm taking some images of a whole mall to make a video to present to other potential clients that we can contact, so we can get new sponsors and so many things that we can think about. So we will try to put something good in this video so we can have a great feedback.
Wow, that sounds very interesting. So are you from Mauritius?
Yes, I am.
You've lived here all your life?
Yeah.
What is it like to live in Mauritius? I'm from South Africa, so
I heard South Africa is cool.
yeah, I think
So here it's like it's 50-50. There's the good things and there's the bad things. You have to know how to choose the way you live and how to spend your money and what are your ambitions. So you can live a good life if you know what you're doing.
Okay. So how much would you say you need to be able to survive? How much money would you say per month?
For let's say if I'm single, 25 to 30k is good for a single person because you have to pay electricity bills, buy food, and if you want to go out, you can go out. You have to save a bit of money. So 25-30k is alright.
Is it easy to buy property here in Mauritius, or do most people rent property?
Well, here we are mostly owners, but I see that nowadays more and more people are looking for apartments or house for rent, because buying a house is becoming very difficult, because when you buy a piece of land you have to build a house, so it becomes very expensive at the moment.
Okay. Thank you so much for chatting to me, my man. I wish you all the best with your business.
Thank you.
Bye. There you have it, folks. It's 50-50. Of course, in any country there are positives and negatives. But for me personally, there's definitely a lot more positives to living in Mauritius than there are negatives. Certainly wouldn't mind moving my family here or having this place as a second home. Kids enjoying some games. Kids enjoying games. It's a beautiful mall. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that content and you've gotten a little bit of a taste of what Mauritius is like. If you enjoy content like this, please let me know by commenting on the comment section below, or liking this video and subscribing to this channel and hit that notification bell.